Tackle mess throughout your whole home with this, the Dyson V15 Detect Submarine. This vacuum cleaner can take care of all sorts of messes, both wet and dry. If you accidentally drop something in the kitchen like a drink or a certain little person's breakfast, you just attach the Dyson Submarine wet roller head and it will use clean water to effortlessly remove spills and tough stains from hard floors. The motorised wet roller will pick up everything from liquids to crumbs and extract the dirt with every rotation. Plus, it's been engineered to leave your floors looking streak-free and clean as the roller head absorbs and extracts moisture. When it comes to tackling dust, with this machine you can see everything that needs cleaning up as the fluffy optic cleaner head lights up the ground to show hidden microscopic dirt particles. And on carpets, switch to the digital motor bar cleaner head to get the best results. This cleaner head adapts suction power across different floor types and it automatically detangles hair as you clean. The vacuum has 3 power modes, Eco, Auto and Boost, so you can choose the right setting to best deal with your floor's level of dust and dirt. And if you're sprucing up some particularly hairy carpets like a patch next to your pet's bed, the hair screw tool is going to pick up long pet hairs and then spiral them straight into the bin so you won't have to manually unclog it at the end of a cleaning session. You may have also noticed this LCD screen on the top here. It gives you performance reports as you're cleaning, showing you scientific data on how much dust and debris you're picking up. You can also keep track of your vacuum's battery power here and get notified if it's got any issues. If you'd like more info about the Dyson V15s Submarine vacuum cleaner, you can visit us in store, head online, or even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.